a rich, soft chocolate cake, super easy and eggless. Here's what you will need. Before we make our rich chocolate cake, let's prepare the cake pan. I'm starting by greasing the pan, always a good first step for smooth baking. I already started by mixing cocoa powder and milk to make the base of our ganache. Sorry I missed recording that part, but don't worry, I will walk you through the rest step by step. Now add 1/4 cup sugar and mix it well.